The exercise, which took place at both the Tema and Sakumo Ramsar sites, faced resistance from some developers. They argued that they were not properly engaged by the authorities ahead of the demolition.
Somebody is talking to me. What's happened to you? They're talking to me.
Wobe shipoko amachuko yenu. Wo bife wo ghetto me ejemi. Nimbiene I'm a suffered over here. We get Sakumo say biene. Wo kaji mba fe no kofio ya biene Paris ne. If it biene have a football field, man, you go to ne biene fe. E wa mi de o ka baba kuni to je. Anya ifa di to da bi aba che mi no ko. Na ba bi mi sane ko. See I budget that to destroy my things. You know money that I spent over here. Billions upon billions. It's a me vote to my NDC. My vote to my NDC. NDC Babu. Every 10 minutes.
So try to now, but now I come. I can hear you.
No.
Meanwhile, the managing director of the Tema Development Corporation, Courage Makafui Nunekbeku, stated that all developers constructing new structures on the Tema and Sakumo Ramsar sites had been cautioned to halt their work. According to him, many developers have ignored these warnings, leading to the demolition exercise. He added that Wednesday's operation marks phase 1 of a series of actions aimed at ensuring the protection of the sites.
We have engaged them by way of announcement. I was at the site personally. In fact, I'm barely about 2 weeks in office. But when I assumed office immediately, the first thing I did is to come to this site. From here to Sakumono, engage some of these developers and let them understand that what we are doing is going to cause problem when the rain starts. Apart from when the rain starts, it's not good. These sites are reserved sites for a purpose. Yeah, this is phase 1, of course. We have a program. We have a detailed plan for this area, and it's not going to be a one-day something we are doing.
According to the Tema Development Company and also the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council, this is the phase 1 of series of actions that will be rolled out to ensure that developers are prevented from building on the Tema Ramsar site. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I am Philip Ni.